Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A73 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to scroll to find this apps section. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on all apps and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on reset up preferences. And as you can see here, our device is actually informing us what it will reset. So among others, disabled apps, default applications for actions, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your ZTE device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.